Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
Can I come in?
Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Wow.
A little bit. I mean, we just mess with the amps and they're literally maxed out. Like no joke. I mean, I think we got 130 volts out of each amp. Output wise, I mean, they're literally maxed out. But I mean, we clip them and we just let it take it. You know?
Yeah.
Because I mean, they're not even getting RMS, so I mean, they'll just take it. But it's definitely improving. We're gonna try to before the show we were just talking about, not made of steel, Slide-H.E.R. We want to try to squeeze 4 more 8Ks in there to beat the rise. So the rise of the 10 ohms, Jacob.
You're gonna break this.
No,
Okay.
we're not.
No,
No, we're
you
not.
got enough layer on it?
No, just shush.
Okay.
We're not gonna break it.
Could you turn it down real quick for some info? So, like I don't know you, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Tristan Cooper, we got 16 SCAR ZVX12s on 4 MD8Ks at 1 ohm. Electrical, we got 2 370 amp ohms.
Wow, this is crazy. So you're probably, what are your SPL scores on this now?
We're doing 161.9 sealed on the dash and the kick.
Wow. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So far, yeah. We're just gonna keep adding more to it.
So what kind of clamping numbers are you doing on the amps? Like to the subs?
We're doing about 3,600 per 8K.
Wow,
So,
some
just
high
because
rise.
of the rise, we rise to about 10 ohms at our peak.
Yeah.
So it's just the box is a little too efficient, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
That's all right. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack too.
More power, baby.
Yeah. And your doors are heavy.
Yeah, they're very heavy.
Disturbing Bourbon, father-son build. And you've done a lot of cabin work. Looks good. Nice. Is this 90 amp hours of lithium or 45 or how big? How much lithium is this?
Individually, I don't know. I know it's 180.
180
CMAC.
total. Okay.
Yeah, 180.
Nice. And these are at 1 ohm.
Yep.
Okay.
1 ohm per set of 4.
Wow. Imagine if you doubled it. Oh my gosh.
That's what we're hoping to do. Hoping to double it and go a half ohm per pair on each set of 4.
If it ain't rustified, it ain't justified. Tryna take me. Living on a pills,
What y'all think about that? Crazy? A hair trick? Yes, ma'am.
living on a pills,
Okay, thank you.